Welcome back to DNA's Garage, and man, have I been waiting for this video. We're finally going to be enjoying our fruits of our labor, and we're going to be taking this bad puppy into the water. We're going to be hitting our nearby lake and dropping it and taking, having a nice fun day. We're grabbing some food right now, so we'll catch you on the next clip. Let's go ride this bitch out. Alright, so this is gonna wrap it up for this video. It was a short video, but again, this is just a test and tune. Now we know that the steering cables need to be replaced or re-lubed. I don't know, something's going on with the steering. It does steer, but it's not how it's supposed to feel. And also we gotta work on the tilt of the jet in the back. It just sunk me and my girlfriend just down to the water, and that is too bad we couldn't get that on video, but that would have made that video go viral for sure. She just made me swallow all the water. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and keep in touch. We're gonna be going on the water soon, and hopefully we can do it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like down below, subscribe for more upcoming videos with this beautiful Yamaha 1200cc, and hopefully we can do a cool swap and turbo it. Stay tuned.
This is a rare sighting of the cameraman with the main character, and for once I am the camera woman. So if you want a little context of what's going on here, I may or may not have fallen off the jet ski about 10 minutes ago. All you need to know, it's a little small for two people, but as you can see, there's a little bit of water coming up in there. We practically drowned, but hey, it was a fun time.